So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math Card by Nidhi. So as you have already seen in the thumbnail that in this video I'll talk about the nation's #1 Olympiad organized by ITU, that is Indian Talent Olympiad. My dear friends, students, teachers and parents, in this current situation, schools are being closed, online studies are going on in the most of the schools of the country, rather I should say in the whole world. So you people must be eagerly waiting for the announcements of different Olympiads which used to happen in your schools. So here I have a good news for you all. ITU, the Indian Talent Olympiad, has introduced online annual Olympiad examinations for the students of grade 1 to 10, in which students can appear for the Olympiad exams just by sitting at home using any smartphone, laptop or PC. Students need to follow some guidelines and instructions before appearing for the online Olympiad exam. To know about all the details, you need to watch this informative video till end. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos regarding different Olympiads of their exam schedule, syllabus, question paper patterns, etc. So let's get started. As you can see here, there are a lot many prizes at different levels, like first cash prizes of for 1 lakh rupees for top 8 students at national level. Second cash prize is 40,000 rupees for top 10 students at national level. After these first and second prize, 10 students who will rank after these top students, they will be getting the laptops, and then 100 students after these third prizes will be given some tablets. 100 students will be given tablets at the national level. There are different awards at state level as well, like rank 1 to 10, which will receive a merit certificate, gold medal and scholarship, and those are like that 9th year scholarship excellence in science. For science, 200 students will get 4,000 rupees each. Same as for maths, 200 students will get 4,000 rupees each. English, 200 students will get 4,000 rupees each, and so on. Class rank 11 to 25 will also get excellence award and medal. Various awards are for class toppers and district toppers are as well, which are given here. You can for the more details. Now let us talk about the examination structure. The ITU conduct 8 type of exams for classes 1 to 10. Those are like International Science Olympiad, ISO, International Maths Olympiad, IMO, International English International Olympiad, that is EIO, General Knowledge International Olympiad, GKIO, International Computer Olympiad, ICO, International Drawing Olympiad, IDO, National National Essay Olympiad, NESO, National Social Studies Olympiad, NSSO. You may participate in in the subject of your choice, or you can participate in all of them. Here we'll discuss about the pattern of online annual Olympiad exams. The question paper will be divided into two parts, that is subjective and logical reasoning. Here subjective means the questions related to the school syllabus or the academic syllabus of that particular subject. In logical reasoning, you can see problem-based figures, series completion, coding, decoding, the odd one out, mirror image, embedded figures, symmetry and alphabetical test questions. Like we usually get these kind of questions in other exams also. And all of the questions, whether they are of subject or logical reasoning select section, will be MCQ based. That means there will be multiple choice questions. Options will be given to you. You need to select the correct one. Complexity of the question paper varies according to the class. For each class, questions are prepared by understanding their knowledge, ability, and reasoning capability. For classes 1 to 4, there will be 35 questions, and for classes 5 to 10, there will be 50 questions. Total marks will be 50. The center of the exams will be student respective home, or if you are going for the offline exam, so it will be your school. Olympiad exams for the subject like science, mathematics, English, GK, computer and social studies are framed in the MCQ format, that is multiple choice question. But there is a different format for the Olympiad exams for drawing and essay. Two topics will be given to you for making drawing or writing an essay. You need to choose any one of the topic out of the given topics. Total marks will be 50. Duration of the exam will be 60 minutes for drawing and 40 minutes for the essay. Center of the exam same as students' respective home if you are going for the online one, and if you are going for the offline exam, so it will be your school. Topics for drawing and essay competition, essay Olympiad will be displayed while during the exam. Now about the exam fee structure. For each exam, you need to pay rupees 150 for the participation. There will be extra charges for the books and study material that I will tell you at the time of registration. As you can see here, there is a good news as well that the students who will appear for any 3 exams will get the free registration for the 4th exam of their choice, and the students who will appear for any 4 exams will get free registration for 5th and 6th exam of their choice. Isn't it great? That means you can participate in any 4 exams just paying rupees 450 and 6 exams and just rupees 600. Here are the dates for the exams. There are different dates for both offline and online mode. If you choose to appear in offline exam, which will be conducted in your school, then the dates are for ISO International Science Olympiad, it is 29th November 2021. For IMO, it is 30th November. For EIO, it's 1st December. For GKIO, it's 2nd December. For ICO, it's 3rd December. For IDO, it's 4th December. NESO for 3rd December again. And for NSSO, it's 4th December. Right? The dates for the online exams in which you can appear from your home as well are as follows. For ISO, it's 6th December. For IMO, it's 7th December. For EIO, it's 8th December. For GKIO, it's 9th December. For ICO, it's 10th December. For IDO, 11th. For NESO, 10th. And for NSSO, it's 11th. You can note here the student who will be unable to appear for online exams in December slot will be automatically shifted to the February slot. The dates for the February slot will be shared later. Once you get registered for the Olympiad exams, a website link and the credentials. Credentials means the login ID and password will be provided to you. Along with this, several mock tests will also be provided before 10 to 15 days of the main exam. Mock test will help you to know about the exam pattern, as the mock tests are same as the main exam. You can also subscribe to the official YouTube channel of ITO to get more information. I have already given the link in the description box. You can check from there. Now let us see how to take the online Olympiad exam. The exam can be assessed or launched from any device like mobile, laptop, desktop. Main thing is that the device should have the front camera or webcam. At the time of online exam, your audio will be recorded, your image will be captured, video will be recorded, there will be eyeball recognition, multi-browser detection to avoid the use of unfair means. You can check the link how to take online annual exam also at YouTube. This link, same link I have already given in the description box. You can check from there as well. Now the last date of the registration is 30th September. Note down please, 30th September for the offline registration. Offline means where you can appear the exam for the exam in the school, right? And for 30th October it is for the online mode. For any inquiry or query, you can write to me in the comment section, or you can make a call on this toll-free number, that is 1-800-266-9192. That's all about this video. I hope you find this video informative. In the next upcoming videos, we'll discuss about the registration process, syllabus, how to prepare for the exam, some do's and don'ts for appearing in these exams. So to get all these information, stay connected with me. Please do like and share this video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.